Our mission is to inspire families of all backgrounds to eat better food and live longer, more vibrant lives. So we make a line of authentic regional beans that are cooked in avocado oil and inspired by traditional Black and Latino recipes. We use really high quality ingredients, so real onions, real garlic, apple cider vinegar, and then of course avocado oil, which is a lot more nutritious than kind of your more refined canola or corn oils. Yeah, so there are three major segments we're going after. The first are multicultural millennials. So I'm Black myself. I grew up in a really diverse community, kind of across African American, Caribbean, and Latin American families. And as millennials from those communities start to try to eat better, there's a really lack of options. So that's the number one consumer we're going after. We also see a really great opportunity with plant-based consumers, so vegans and vegetarians, and then those consumers that just enjoy global, authentic foods. So we're actually launching in September, and then we start shipping in January. But we're excited to get out and start sharing the product with more people. For me, the biggest surprise has been kind of the way that people think about the bean category. So for me, the beans have always been something that I've viewed as like a really savory, delicious food. But a lot of people see it as like a dead category or a really kind of boring part of the store. And so it's been fun to educate people on the way that I think about beans and the way a lot of consumers think about it, which is a food that they love. Right now our number one focus is continuing to meet new retailers and kind of expand the brand. We're starting off in California on the West Coast, so always excited to meet other people who want to carry us in their stores. And then in terms of investors, our approach is to take money from people that we know and that we trust, and so we're always building relationships so that it's never kind of a cold call when it comes time to raise money. Yeah, I've been in the food industry for about 6 years, and I love food. It's a passion of mine since I was a little kid. It's been kind of the center of my life. It's been the center of my professional career, really for my entire adulthood. And so I live it and I breathe it. And for people that invest in me and work with me, you're getting my full effort and attention all the time.